Do you fully understand what numbers in real estate means? If you don't feel bad. Not many people do. So in this video, I'm going to give you 3 simple examples that are going to change your world. Stay tuned.
Over your face!
Yare yare does it.
Throw an elbow!
Hi everyone, this is Rachel Dadon here in the beautiful Las Vegas, very hot Nevada. Hope you're having a wonderful day. First of all, thank you so much for joining us to our channel. This whole channel is for you. We are here to share the knowledge, give you helpful tips, and pretty much make your life so much better. So first of all, before we're going to start, show your love, hit the like button, subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. This way you will never miss any new video that we're going to release. So today we are going to talk about numbers in real estate. Most people, as soon as they hear numbers, they get the hijibijis. Hijibijis? That's how you say it? Not sure about that. If there is another different ways to say it, just comment at the comment below. So numbers, this is the way that I used to be. As soon as people started talking with me about numbers when I was younger, I'm like, no, I'm not interested about talking about numbers. Let's talk about history and psychology and all those wonderful things. But then as I grew older, I understand that numbers are they're not just numbers for the heck of it. They're actually money. And if I won't get it together and will fully understand what those numbers actually mean, I'm going to live the life, well, not the life that I want to live. Let's say it like that. So today I'm going to give you 3 very short, very simple examples about numbers in real estate. And I hope they are going to make you think. So let's start. First example, let's talk about rent numbers. First interesting fact that I want to share with you is as of July 27, 2020, here in Las Vegas, Nevada, and also in Henderson, Nevada, average of rent is varied between $1,500 and $1,600 for single family residence, 2-story, 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, 2 car garage, something that is like very common, not out of the ordinary. So remember that number, $1,500 a month. Let's go with the lower one. Now, second interesting fact that I want you to think is if you are renting for $1,500 a month, it means that in 3 years, it's going to cost you $54,000 to rent, and in 10 years, $180,000. Pick up your jaw. It's all okay. Now, question. Do you think that in the last few years, rent increased? Well, it did. It increased more than 13%. Again, lift the jaw. Now, I have another question, and I would love for you to comment at the comments below. If you are renting, did you ever sit down for 1 second and wrote how much you paid in rent and how much the benefits that you can get when buying a house? Now, stop right there. I know what you are thinking. Owning a house is not for everyone. I'm not encouraging you to go and to buy a house, not at all. But I do want you to fully understand the numbers. Now go ahead, write down the number, how much you paid in rent through the years. Second example, purchase price. Your friend is buying a house with a loan and he just got a $10,000 price reduction from the purchase price. Hoorah! But what does it actually mean money-wise? Let's take a closer look. Now, I want you to pay very close attention to what I'm going to share with you right now, because once you got this and you fully understand these numbers, your world will change, I promise. And you're going to share this video with everyone. So let's take a closer look. You have 2 scenarios in front of you on the screen. At the top, you see a purchase price of $350. At the bottom, purchase price of $360. the loan is the same loan, conventional 5% down, interest rate 3,250 interest rate. Now, I am talking always about the monthly payment and how crucial it is for buyers, and I need you to fully understand why is it so crucial, because too many people are so concerned about the purchase price. If you are buying a house with cash, yeah, purchase price is crucial, and that's one of the only things that are crucial for you as a cash buyer. But if you are buying a house with a loan, you have to pay close attention to your monthly payment. I want you to take a closer look at the monthly payments that you are seeing in front of you. At the purchase price of $350,000, you are going to pay $1,817 a month. At the purchase price of $360,000, you are going to pay $1,878. Do you understand that on a monthly base the difference is $61? So you will ask yourself, oh my God, but it's a $10,000 price reduction. Yes, that $10,000 price reduction is going to be spread out because you are taking a loan, and you are going to feel it after 13.5 years. Do you understand? Wonderful. Again, I'm not telling you what is right for you, but I want you to fully understand when you are getting numbers, don't just take them like surface value. Okay, that just makes sense. Always dig deep and fully understand what those numbers mean on a monthly basis and over time, because only when you understand that you can make smart decisions. Now let's go to example number 3. Third example, interest rates. So everyone are talking always about the purchase price, but they tend to miss a very important and crucial factor that is called interest rates. Did anyone reached out to you and told you why so many people rushed to do refinance this year, and why, even though we have all this uncertainty, buyers still buy? I'm going to show you a table that is going to make it very simple to understand. Let's take a closer look. So I want you to take a very close look at the table in front of you. All 4 scenarios are conventional 5% down payment. All purchase price are $350, but interest rates, as you can see marked in yellow over here, are not the same. And this is, my friend, when I tell you, you need to fully understand the numbers and what they actually mean, because that's money. It shows you over here at the bottom, monthly payment wise, how these slight changes in interest rates affect your monthly payment. Money, people, we're talking about money coming out of your pocket. And that's the reason why so many people rushed this year and refinanced their mortgages. And that's the reason why so many people, even though we have this uncertainty in the market, still go and buy houses. I hope this video shared some light about the way that you are going to look at numbers from now on. Always dig deep and don't just take the numbers for surface value. Fully understand what it means for you on a monthly basis and further down the road. This way you'll be able to make better decisions. If you're a homeowner, if you're a renter, if you are an investor. Even for investors, it's very important to fully understand these numbers. Now feel free to go ahead and share this video and share the knowledge. It will be our pleasure to help more people and share our knowledge with other people in the community. Thank you so much for joining us today. I was Rachel Agay Dadon. Any questions that you have, feel free to leave them at the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you so much, everyone. God bless.
Over your face!
Yare yare da ze.
Throw an elbow!